Hay, sa wakas, wala na ring araw. Makakapaglangoy na rin ako. Hindi ako magkakaroon ng sunburn. Yes! Tara, langoy na. Wow. Grabe. Ang lamig. Ano nangyayari? Hi guys! Welcome back. It's me, Sean. And today, we're going to play Mermaid Isle. Woohoo! Mermaid tayo ngayon. Mermaid. Oop! What's happening to my arm? Anyways, niralo ko lang yung tutorial and meron na tayong 400 pearls. I still don't know how to play this game. I mean, niralo ko na yung tutorial. Pero like, we'll see. What's it like to be a mermaid? Yes. Doon ko nakuha yung 200 sa kanya. Like for ano. Okay, like, ang goal natin na lang siguro ay kuha ng 1k or 2k pearls para mabili natin si Tiki Turtle. Kasi ang ganda ng black nila. Look, see. I love the black or we can just cheat. What? Unlock VIP. Oh, ito yung nasa Barbie. Diba? Bugs. Slay. Slay. This is our new look. It's giving Bob. It's giving... Sorry. Anyways, yun guys. Walk on in. Hindi kaya ako mano. Now tracking an in. Sige, saan? Saan tayo mag-aano? Ay, dito. Saan daw? Walk on in. Dito, diba? Paano? How can I walk them? Do I have to like right click them? How can I walk them? What? No! Ano yung pufferfish? Saan ako hahanap ng pufferfish? Ayun, pufferfish! Pufferfish ka, diba? Yun! Finally! Yes! We finally found one, guys! We finally found one. And then, ito. Walk on eel. Okay, I've completed it. That's it. Yun lang. Wala man lang akong... What? Okay, girl. Oh my god. Kung wala man lang like reward or what? Para man lang sa hirap kong pinagdaanan. Diyos ko. Ay oh my god. Nakailang rejoin ako dun para man lang makomplete ko yung quest kasi akala ko baka magkaroon ng malaki yung perang ibibigay. Hindi pala. Yes! 1k! Now I can finally do my makeover. Hey guys! balikan ko kayo later.
One eternity later.
Oh, hey guys! Like the new look? This is me. This is the new me. Yes. Without spending any Robux. Cause I'm broke. Even though gusto ko yung VIP. Pero like, yes. Oh. Yan. Boogs. I'm really proud of this, guys. Look. This is the new aesthetic. Yes. Yes, guys. So, guys, I guess that's it for the video. Hirap na hirap ako maghanap ng pufferfish at saka mag-walk ng isang eel. Tapos yung quest pala, wala pala akong matatanggap na pera dun. Haha, pain. Pero anyways, guys, if you like the video, please, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and comment. And subscribe. Yes. And comment down below kung anong mga magagandang gawin dito sa Mermaid Isle. Kasi hindi ako nakapunta sa mga certain areas sa sa ocean kasi yung current ay mabilis or medyo deep na talaga yung ocean para sa akin. Pero yun, hopefully ma-explore natin siya next time. And yun lang, guys. Sana, excuse me, parang hindi ako Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about me, you can follow my TikTok account. Yes, nagla-livestream ako dun, guys, ng Roblox and Minecraft and other games as well. So yeah, kung gusto niyo akong nakikitang naglalarong live, follow niyo na ako dun. Or yeah. Wait, nasan yun? Nasan yung aking Yeah, guys. Cause, nasan na yun? Wait lang, hinahanap ko lang yung extra? Nasan na yun? Nawala na. Nawala na siya. Ay. Kasi if you guys didn't subscribe, if you didn't subscribe, guys, if you guys didn't subscribe, I'll cry. So subscribe, guys. Ay, hindi pa ako na-cry. Anyway. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Bye, guys. Bye. Ang haba ng outro, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.